to Patio Man Brewing on Instagram. Have you used specialty wheat grain? If so, what beer style and thoughts? I'll speak specifically to shout out to Malt Europe. I really like their crystal wheat. It's a 3 Lovabond crystal malt. You get in the bag, it almost looks like because there's no husk, so you can just see that it looks caramely and it's sweet, man. And it's unfermentable. Yeah, it's a product I really like. Pardon me. I mentioned before that I tend to use that as like thinking about cocktails as like a simple syrup, right? As a way of elevating the residual sweetness in a beer. Yeah, so that's kind of one of the things that I'm doing when it comes to specialty wheat. Earlier, we mentioned that there are things like midnight wheat. There's roasted wheat products, different things like that. Those are great. You can use those as well. Again, I would say taste. Maybe even do like a little mini steep with them, like with a press, with a coffee press, to kind of get a feel for some of those different qualities from some of those different wheat products. But yeah, that's really all I can think of as far as the wheat products go. You'll have like your roasted ones, which I would suggest maybe doing like a little steep with in a little coffee pot. And then some of the crystal products, which are fun. And in particular, I don't know what else exactly comps to crystal wheat from Malt Europe, but it's one that I like quite a bit. Quite a bit.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.